They were arresting people for fixing their car. So I'm going to sign this and I'll be happy about it.
Trump just snapped back at the auto manufacturers, but it might not be as big of a win as you think.
I'm going to let Lee explain exactly what it means.
Mr. President, this is a presidential memo to the Environmental Protection Agency, a presidential memo supporting the freedom to fix. Americans have the freedom to fix their vehicle. President Trump insists upon it. We are not going to be going after people who are fixing their own vehicle like past administrations have. Additionally, we've been concerned, President Trump has been concerned about aftermarket parts, cheap knockoff aftermarket parts coming into the United States, harming small businesses, harming Americans. This presidential memo puts an end to it. Also, the only third-party certification for these aftermarket parts, it's CARB in California, a process that's backlogged and faulty. So we're going to break that monopoly, and no longer will CARB be the only third-party certifier for these aftermarket parts. Again, President Trump is insisting on fixing it. This presidential memo does that. February 2nd, we signed a right to repair for our farmers so that they can repair their tractors and their non-road equipment, and this is covering everyone else.
I mean, think about it. It came to my attention because I noticed they were arresting people for fixing their car. They were arresting people for fixing it. That's not even believable. Anyway, so it's right to fix, and I think it's really common sense. If somebody wants to fix, some of these people are better mechanics than the mechanics in the shop. They're telling the mechanic in the shop how to fix their car or their truck. We signed the truck one a little while ago. So I'm going to sign this and I'll be happy about it.
Today he signed a presidential memorandum, and in that memorandum it basically tells the EPA to explain what kind of repairs, emission-wise, that people can work on and do on their own vehicles. It bypasses the narrow band for aftermarket parts going into CARB to be approved for use on the road. And it stops kind of going after people for repairing their own vehicles. And to clarify on that last part, it's not necessarily totally true. People aren't getting, cuffs slapped on them for doing an oil change in their front yard or whatever. It's mostly, from what I remember, the people that were getting arrested were people that were deleting emission devices on diesel vehicles. The EPA were cracking down heavy on that a couple years ago. So that's good news for that. I mean, he's basically telling them to back off, which brings me to the other thing, which we should be really cautious about over-celebrating this isn't a law. He didn't sign a bill into law. This didn't go through Congress or the Senate. This is a memorandum. A memorandum is pretty much saying, hey, EPA, don't do this. Do this. I would like it if you did this. The American people would like it if you did this. Do they have to listen to him? Not necessarily, but considering he's president, they're probably going to listen to him. So it's good news, but it's not a law. So we should really just hone in on that. And the fight of right to repair is still not over. This is good news. And other good news that is tied to this memorandum is they want to push to not have CARB certifications be the only way that aftermarket emission parts or parts in general can be legally sold in the country. That's pretty good news too. So I take this as like a good nod, like, okay, that's the direction we want to go, but the fight is not over. It's not a law yet. These automotive companies, they don't want us to do this. We talked about this before. They don't want us touching their vehicles. They want all the money going to them. So while we can do a little good job celebration, it's far from over. This is a step in the right direction, but all it is bringing attention, which is good. We want the attention. What are your thoughts about this, guys? I don't think it's as big of a news as it should be. I definitely don't want people thinking this is a new law and we have the right to repair one. But this is good. I think this is a pretty solid way of looking at this. So let me know what you guys think. Take it easy.